This jump demonstration shows how to create a model-driven multivariate control chart. We're using the Penta data from the Sample Data Library. Let's begin by going to Analyze, Quality and Process, Model-Driven Multivariate Control Chart. The variables S1 through P5 go in the Process role, and then I'll click OK. We're presented with a t-squared control chart on the first 7 principal components of the data. There are some points out of control. I'll hover over the first one, row 22, then click the bar chart. This point is out of control because the univariate chart for variable S2 is out of control for that observation. I'll hover over the bar to visualize the S2 process. Now I'll do the same for this point, row 30. Many of the variables are out of control for this row. To create the DModX chart, I'll click the red triangle next to PC Model-Driven Multivariate Control Chart, then select Monitor the Process, Normalized DModX Plot. This control chart shows no out-of-control points. Remember that it's smart to look at both charts when evaluating a multivariate process.